We out here, fresh powder. Trying to start letting you guys see what's really going on. We've been doing crazy work to this car. Get you tuned in with that real soon. Today we got my guy Frank here. Got a sandblast, some stuff. See what we got on the table. You know we got bust downs on bust downs, but we got some stuff sandblasted right here. We got the sandblasting room now. Got a business scooter in here. Shout out to Mr. Business. He left me an artifact. I'm gonna have to dig this joint out in the ground when he gets ready to ride it, but definitely got to finish these because they're going blue. And then this Vitelli's LT80 right here. So shout out to Jewel and VJ for welding that grab bar there. These are Vitelli's wheels. Man, it's a lot going on. We got 1, 2, 3. We got 4 bust down LT80s and a bust down Banshee, all at the same time. So, you know what I'm saying? It's time to really just start finishing stuff and show you what's really going on. Cause don't think we're sleeping. Don't sleep on us. Cause we're still around. You're gonna see. You know we had to just get these off the shelf. I'm not stopping. We got Vitelli's LT80s like 90% done. I'm about to show you some footage of them in the boxes. And then we got the 17 King Dom LT80 that I had bought off him. That's like about 50% done being powder coated. And then next up is the other one that I traded the XR80 for. So see what we got. I'll show you a couple of things. Cause you think I'm really just like not doing this shit. Like, look, I got 2 bust downs sitting right on the wall. There's nothing too serious. Oh, what's that? Oh, that's Banshee wheels. That's the Banshee. Okay. I ain't even trying to play. But look, it's the giveaway. Vitelli's LT80s matching the giveaway. They were supposed to get given away as a package. Winner takes both, but I think Vitelli said his daughter wants a bike, so still gonna give away the Banshee. There's a customer right here, that guy B Stouch. Tune into him. He got some giveaways, and that's not even it. We got boxes. Let's see what we got. This right here. That's the 17 King Dom. Let's see what's in this box. I just want to give you a slight gander of what's going on. That's almost a full bust down LT80 in a box. That, I believe, that's the Vitelli LT80 going to match with the giveaway Banshee. And then we still got one more box. And I didn't even tell you about the Young Dolph LT80. RIP Young Dolph. We got the Young Dolph LT80. It's been in the works. You gotta stay tuned up. Ooh, I don't want to talk too much. I ain't even gonna go digging through this pile of parts, but you see, you get the vibe. You get the vibe. Come on now. Rest in peace to my guy Young Dolph. Don't think I ain't gonna pop out with that fully bust down Young Dolph exclusive too. Don't sleep on that. A lot of bikes been being in the works for about a year now. You know, taking care of the family, working, grinding, doing multiple things at once. But got my guy Frankie with me. He's always pushing me, trying to get stuff done. My guy Bishu keeps pushing me. So look, you're gonna start to see. Like, I'm not just gonna give you the finished products anymore. You're gonna really see what's going on. So my guy VJ coming here soon to pick up. What I got for VJ? I got 4 wheels. Need those tires removed. I got this exhaust, got a slight crack. Got to get welded, re-powder coated. I do some bushings, but I don't really get into these ones on the control arms. So these are Vitelli's control arms. These are the 17 King Dom build control arms. That's all going to VJ. Frankie just sandblasted the wheels and the stem and the axle for the LT80. See those wheels. So that's about it for today. Maybe let Frankie hold the camera when we hop in the car. Had a crazy exhaust leak. 3 exhaust leaks, and 2 of them were just to the point where the exhaust was so corroded there was nothing I could do. So we went to the RX8 graveyard. I'll tune you guys in with him soon, but got an RX8 parts guy. Got the agency power exhaust. Already had the catalytic converter deleted with the mid pipe, so we just got the rest of the exhaust from the mid pipe back. Agency power sounds pretty good. Pretty loud with the whole car gutted. Got half my interior sitting right here. Seats, trunk liner, all the plastics. We're having a water leak. Trying to get to the bottom of that too. So probably gonna get out of the shop and take Frankie home and take you for a ride. We just got out of the shop. Everything's sandblasted, ready to be taped up and sprayed tomorrow. Look at this puppy. It's a rude boy. I'm gonna start her up, see how she sounds.